Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at some key fundamentals in Python, some of which include lists, tuples, and the classic algorithm, bubble sort. I aim to make this video a short but easily understandable video. So without any delay, let's get straight into it. The first concept we're going to be looking at is lists. So what are lists? List is basically an organized collection of objects which can be changed after the list has been made. It can be comparable to our grocery shopping lists we normally put down while going to the store to get some certain things. An example can be fruit list is equals to apples, bananas, and berries. As you can see, I've used square brackets here because these are what lists are represented in. We also have different list operators. Some of which include list dot append, which is basically used to add certain values to our list. We have list dot sort, list dot remove, and so on, guys. We can use, for example, if we have a list equals to 1, 3, 2, and 4. We can type in list dot sort and then enter print list. This helps us to sort out the characters in the list in ascending order. So if I run this, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Similarly, we can also enter list dot append and then enter the value which we want to add. Maybe we can say 5. And then enter print list. As you can see, 5 is now added to our list. We also have list.remove, which helps to remove certain values from our list. For example, we can enter list.remove and then enter the value which we wish to remove. You can say 5 or 2 and then enter print list. And then as you can see, 2 has now been removed from the list. Next thing we're going to be looking at now is tuples. Tuples are basically just like lists which cannot be changed after the tuple has been made. although we can't change it directly, we can first of all change it into a list, edit it, and then change it back into a tuple. We can do that by entering top1 is equals to. As you can see, tuples are represented by the regular brackets just like this. We can say 1, 2, 3, and 5. Say if we want to change 5 over here into 4, we first of all have to change tuple into a list by entering list1 is equals to list of top1. By doing this, we're able to change top1 into a list. Now we need to change the value 5 into 4. So we say list1 3 is equals to 4. We say 3 here because we start counting from 0. So we say 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 5 comes under the third index. Now that we've done that, we need to change the list back into a tuple by saying top1 is equals to tuple of list1. And then lastly, we can print out top1. And if we run this, we can see that 5 here has been changed into 4. The next thing we're going to be looking at is bubble sort. As name implies, it's also a method in which we can sort out objects in our lists. So the main idea behind bubble sort is if we have some digits like 2, 5, 6, 7, and 3. If 2 is greater than 5, then we swap, but since it's not, we iterate. If 5 were to be greater than 6, we swap. Since it's not, we iterate. 6 is less than 7, so we iterate. But here 7 is greater than 3, so we have to swap. But the new set of digits is going to be 2, 5, 6, 3, and then 7. We repeat the process. 2 is less than 5, we iterate. 5 is less than 6, we iterate. 6 is greater than 3, so we swap. So the new set of values will be 2, 5, 3, 6, and then 7. Over here, 2 is less than 5, we iterate, but 5 is greater than 3, so then we swap. So we're going to have 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So as you see, we managed to arrange the entire set of digits in ascending order. If we want to do this using code, we can simply enter list is equals to, say we have a list like 2, 1, 4, 6, and 5. And we want to arrange this set of values in ascending order. We can say length is equals to len of list. Here, len is simply what we use to define the length. So we use the conditional statement for I in range this length and for j in range zero comma length if list of j is greater than list of j plus 1, then list of j comma list of j plus 1 should be equals to list of j plus 1 comma list of j. As you can see here, guys, this is the process of swapping. If of j is greater than list of j plus 1, then we have to swap list of j plus 1, then becomes list of j, then becomes list of j plus 1, and here list of j plus 1 becomes list of j. Now we can go ahead and print out our list, and I'll also print out this list so we can have a before and after effect. So if we run this, you can see we managed to arrange it in ascending order. Initially we had 2, 1, 4, 6, and 5, and now we have 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did learn anything, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It really helped me a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.